Hey folks, this is Jeremiah from MarineMax, and today we're here to talk about Boston Whalers 240 Dauntless Pro. This is the second one we've had the opportunity to get, and this is a 240 Dauntless with all your fishermen in mind. Some of the things this changes up and brings to the table, instead of having a full rear bench seat, you have two side bench seats, and one of the largest live wells that you're going to find in a 24 footer. In fact, it easily doubles as a release well. Of course, 65 quart Yeti comes with the boat, one of the nicest things you can get, and on a slider, make life a little bit easier. Some of these are some of the cool features. Two live wells, obviously essential for those who need to split bait or have a release well for some of the reds, or whatever the case may be. But above my head is what the party trick really is. With a full-blown half tower, done right at Boston Whalers factory, full Mercury digital controls and hydraulic steering, that is obviously the party piece of this boat. And it does it without giving anything up that the family needs. There's still a Dometic head down in the console for all the family. Obviously, you still have bolsters for the rough days, seating in the rear for the kids, and if you guys follow me up front, some of the best pieces of the 240 Dauntless are still here. Of course, for the Sunday sandbar days, wife and children, the loungers are still here. All the cushions go away for when you need it as a casting deck. You've got huge storage underneath. And like I mentioned, number 2 of the live wells. Again, folks, this is Jeremiah from MarineMax. Today we're talking about our 240 Dauntless Pro. If you want to fish and you want to do the sandbar and still keep the family happy, come visit us. We'll set you up. Talk to you soon.